go again? Okay. Where you going, Bryce? See, Dada. You gonna say I love you, Dad?
Nope, but he's gonna throw this hat.
Okay. So much for that. What are you doing?
Oh! That was too hard.
Did you get scared? You okay?
His stomach.
It went boop, boop. Sorry, Bryce. What are you doing? You want your hat back on? There we go. Little man. You can go around wide. I don't care if you're in it, I just don't want your butt on it. There you go. Bryce, wave. Hi.
Sit down. Sit down.
Aw, Danny, he doesn't like that.
Okay.
Push him to me. Huh? What, Bryce? Do that again. That was cute. Bryce? You want Mama? What you doing, Bryce? That's my shirt. What are you doing? Bryce, where you going? He was scared. What? Yeah? Put that back on. He wants you to put it on. You keep putting it on wrong, Danny, and I wonder if he keeps wanting to take it off.
Aw, that's cute how he has it. It's a little big on him.
No, it was fitting him fine earlier, but you just keep wanting to shove it in front of his eyes.